In this class, we've been creating or exporting the world into Blender and then creating these fun little scenes where we can animate them.
We learned how to make the camera move around instead of just staying in one place. And then at the end, I textured the skins. I was watching Minecraft animations and I just saw a cool fight scene and I thought to myself, that would be cool if I could do that.
Okay, so basically I just got music from a parkour video. Rate this class out of 10. I'd rate it 11 out of 10.
I thought it was cool how you could move the arms and legs unlike Minecraft.
I emphasized how in Blender the characters they make are not as bound by the rules of Minecraft movement as the in-game ones. The wonderful thing about this is that Blender is free and it has so many things as part of it now.